Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, I am back with some new Excel tricks. In this first trick, we are going to learn about conditional formatting. For example, you have a list of some name of the students and their marks. Okay, what we want to achieve in this tutorial is how can I highlight if a student is achieving greater than the average, and these are their marks, and if any one of them achieving greater than the average, then I will highlight it with green color, else I will not highlight it. So for example, now see, it will change. It's a dynamic, and it will change automatically. See, it's changing, right? Wherever there is greater than average, it highlights. Otherwise, it will not highlight, right? So let's achieve it now. Let's do it. I have some data here. Okay. So I'm going to do the same thing. Let me highlight. I want to highlight this cells. Okay. If the average or total average of any of the student, if the total of this average is 75, if any of them is exceeding 75, then I will highlight with whatever color you want. You can choose any color. Okay. So here I will say go to conditional formatting and click new rule, manage rule, click new rule, then use formula to determine. Then I will say equal to if G3. Okay, I want to move it down. You remember we did some cell referencing tutorial before. So if you press F4 key, I want to just freeze the column, not the rows. Okay, so press F4 key. Okay, and you can freeze the column. Now I freeze the column G. Okay, what do we need? We need greater than average. Average of what we need? Average of all these numbers, right? So now close it. Then what I want? I want some color. So go to the format and click on fill. Choose any color. Let's say here I will choose, for example, let's say this color. Okay. Click OK. Click OK. Then apply and say OK. See, it's highlighted now. See, 75 is the average. This is more than 75, more than 75, more than 75. The rest is not more than 75. So if I play this, see, it changes. I have some dynamic numbers here, so it's changing automatically. Isn't it good? Okay, then see you in the next trick. Hello friends, this is the second technique, second trick of Excel. Also, this is for conditional formatting, but here we are taking two conditions. Okay, for example, here you can see I have a small table here. Okay, where you can see some products and sales for 2020 and 2021. Okay, what we need to do, what we want to accomplish in this table is, if the sales for 2021 is higher than 2022, I will highlight as a green. If it is less, I want to highlight this as a red. Okay, so it will be done automatically once you apply the conditional formatting. Okay, let me run this. See, it changes automatically. Okay, I have used some random numbers here, random formula, that's why it's changing automatically. Okay, now let's do it step by step. Okay, I will unhide this. I have the same data here. Okay, now wherever you want the conditional formatting, you have to first highlight those cells. Okay, I have highlighted those cells and go to conditional formatting and manage rules. Okay, click on new rule, click on use formula, equal to if this 2021 sales is less than, for foremost, what we have to do, we have to freeze the column, not the rows. So again, what we learned earlier, here we can use that. Press F4 key twice. Okay, so that the column is frozen. If this is less than 2020 sales, okay, again freeze the column, press F4 key twice. Then I want to highlight this as a red color. Okay, done. Click OK, apply. See, it's highlighted. Right, now I need the second condition. What is our second condition? Second condition is When the sales for 2021 is higher, I want it to be highlighted as a green. Okay, keep it selected these cells and go again to conditional formatting, manage rules, click on new rule again, click on the use a formula and click equal to. If 2021 sales, again freeze the column, press F4 key twice, is greater than 2020 sales, again freeze the column, press F4 twice. What I want green color. I'm choosing this green color. You may choose whatever color you want and click OK and click apply and click OK. See, done. So if I play now, see, it changes automatically, right? Isn't it good? Okay, see you in the next trick. Okay, friends, here is the third trick. Okay, before we learned here two conditions, but in both these cases, one condition and two conditions, right? In both these cases, we were highlighting only a particular column, okay, cell by cell. What I want to do here now is I want to highlight the whole row. Wherever our condition is met, I want to highlight the whole row. This is a practical way. It should be done like that, okay? So how can we do this? For example, here in this scenario, what I'm taking now here is highlight complete row if a family status is no. Okay, for example, if I change this to no, okay, see, it highlights, right? So let's do it step by step. It's very easy. Okay, I'll show you. Now I have the same data here. I will unhide it. Okay, so in this case, what you have to do, you have to highlight the whole table. Okay, then go to conditional formatting, manage rules, click new rule and click use a formula and click here. Okay, then click equal to. If K3, again we have to freeze only the column. Okay, press F4 key twice. Okay, if K3 status is equal to no, type no in inverted commas, and what we need any color. No need to give it red color or whatever you want. You can give your own color. I will select this color. Okay, say okay, say okay, apply it, say okay, done. See, it's done. Now if I change this to yes, it should change. Okay, it's changing. Okay friends, this is the fourth trick. Okay, now I will show you multiple conditions. Before we were using highlight complete rows with one condition. Now I will show you more than one condition. Okay, how can we do that? Okay, let's say for example you have this data. I have this table where I have the employee number, name, position, and their contract says these things, and they have children or they don't have children. Okay, then this is the legend. I have prepared a legend. You can prepare also legend to make it easy. Okay, family status no, and have children. I want to highlight this color, orange color. If family status yes and have children, I want to highlight this as a green color. Okay, if family status yes and if family status is yes and have children no, I want to highlight this as a red color. Okay, let's do it step by step. So again we need to highlight the whole area. Okay, then go to conditional formatting, manage rules, click on new rule, click on use a formula. Okay, then click here. Here we are going to use AND operator. Okay, press equal to sign and type here A and D, open brackets. Okay, so what we need now, this is the first condition. Okay, family status no and have children yes. So where is the family status? Here, family status, click here. Then again we need to freeze only the column, press F4 key twice. Okay, the column is frozen. If family status is equal to no and oh no, okay, and sorry about that, and have children, again freeze the column, press F4 key twice, and have the children equal to, what is the next condition? Yes. Okay, in inverted commas type yes, yes, and close the brackets. What color we need? We need orange color in this case. Okay, I'll highlight this orange color, click OK, click OK. What's the problem? There's a problem with the formula. Okay, okay, see, I missed the inverted commas, so that's why it was not happy. See now, click OK. See, it's highlighted. Okay, now our second condition is, the family status is yes. Okay, he is getting family status and is having children. I want to highlight this as a green color. Okay, keep it highlighted the whole range, then click on conditional formatting, manage rule, go to new rule, then again select use a formula, press equal to, here type equal to, then and open the brackets, then start inverted commas. Okay, what is our next condition is, if family status is equal to yes, so family status, again freeze the column, press F4 key twice. Okay, sorry, there is a plus sign here, I have to remove this plus sign, otherwise it will not work. Equal to what is the next condition? Yes. So in inverted commas you have to type here yes, close the inverted commas, and have children also should be yes. So click here have children, again freeze the column, press F4 key twice, have children is equal to yes. So second condition is yes, 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 close the inverted commas, close the bracket. What color we need now? We need green color, right? So select the green color, click OK, click OK. What is wrong? It's wrong. I have here inverted commas. I don't want this inverted commas. Okay. Now, if I apply, see, it's applied, right? So yes is wherever there is yes, 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 and yes, you will get this green color. Okay. Our next condition now, click OK. Keep it highlighted the whole area. Again go to conditional formatting, manage rules, click on the new rule, then click here use a formula, click here type equal to sign, sorry, and start brackets. What is our next condition? If family status is yes and have children no, then I want to highlight it as a red color. So if family status, click this cell, then again we need to freeze the column only, press F4 twice, equal to, what is the first condition? Yes. So type here yes, yes, inverted commas, close, then and have children is no. So click here in this cell and again freeze the column. Okay, press F4 key twice, equal to, what is the condition? No. So type here no, close inverted commas, close brackets. So what color we need now? We need red color. So click on red, click OK, click OK, apply it, and say OK. See, done. So if I want to change here to, for example, let's say I will change here to no, it changes. Okay. If I want to change here to yes, both yes, see, it's changing as we want. Isn't it good? Okay. See you in the next trick. Okay, friends, this is the last trick. Okay. And I believe most of you have known this trick, but I will again show this. Let's say you want to highlight the duplicate values in this column. Okay. So how you can do that? Okay. I will highlight this. all range. Then go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, just select here duplicate values, see, and you can select whatever color you need, green, field, whatever you need. Okay, I will select this. Okay, these are the duplicates. You can do anywhere also in this column if you want. You can highlight also here. Okay, duplicate. See, yes, yes, no, wherever there is yes, no, it's giving. Right here also, if you want to highlight here, see, duplicate values, see, it's giving. If there is a duplicate, it will give the duplicate. So this is it, and see you in the next time with some more new tricks. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.